Hey, so I thought I'd make this video to kind of summarize week one. I was trying to think if I was gonna do like daily video logs showing every specific detail of what I'm doing for the course and how that's panning out, or if I do, weekly updates. And because some of the techniques, get very repetitive, especially in the course. Of what you actually need to do to succeed, because it's very simple, straightforward techniques like I did with the Lucid Accelerator. There's very specific lucid dreaming techniques I taught. You just do it 10 to 30 minutes per day and you start to get the results. And I had a feeling that the manifestation course was going to be something similar. So first thing I did was write down all the goals, looking at those every day. And so I kind of broke it down to it's all around manifesting success. So what is success in general? Health, wealth, happiness, and legacy. So it's a 9-week course. So the each of those 4 categories gets 2 weeks dedicated towards it, and a final 9th week of consistency and bringing them all together. And I think that generates enough time to strictly form these new habits to help anyone get the results they're looking for. So that I just wanted to put this video together of what I did for week 1. And if you end up taking the course, depending on when you're watching this, there should be a link below for where you can join at the foreverlucid.com. And I think the best way to go about this is just me personally doing it, understanding how this works, and then teaching it from that standpoint. Similar to how I did the lucid dreaming, I already had several years of experience with lucid dreaming before I started teaching it to others, and then figuring out how to properly teach it the right way, which ended up with the Lucid Accelerator. So yeah, that's a bit rambly on now. So yeah, week 1 is all about being focused on mindset. I think before you take any action, if you don't have your mind in the right place, the action won't really do anything. Of course, action is important. Thoughts, beliefs, and actions create the reality around you. So the first week is all about health and your mental health. So, figuring out proper meditations or affirmations, whatever that looks like for your specific situation based on your own beliefs, what will help you the most. I think, anybody taking 10 minutes out of their day to just close their eyes and try to calm their mind and, try to search for that feeling of happiness, whatever that looks like, anything that makes you smile, getting the endorphins going. So that's all about week 1. This is just summing up what I did for week 1. If you watch the previous videos, it's all about setting up your outreach list. I think that's going to be expanded more in week 3, because week 2 will be about physical health, and then week 3 will be the start of the wealth journey, about how to actually increase your income depending on what your specific revenue source that you're trying to create is. But no matter what you do for revenue, some part of it is most likely going to be outreaching to others to help them. Because unless you're like playing the lottery or something like that, the way you're going to be earning money is giving value to other people. So that'll be more about week 3. So I guess I could show clips of me closing my eyes meditating, but I don't think that would be very helpful. This is more just a personal log for myself, and if any of you watching this get value from it and ending up wanting to take the course, that's cool too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Week 1's pretty much finished. I focused on meditation and mindfulness and really getting my head straight for this journey. And then next check-in will be for week 2, the physical journey. All right. Thanks for listening.